Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, in Dutch they call it Cyber block. In Japanese they call it Suguru. In today's newspaper of Friday, yes, Friday, April the 14th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the last one, the Tectonic with 4 stars. And before I start, well, this one will be number 6276. Yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me check. No dual boxes here. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other digits could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 there, so this can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Triple boxes, more, no. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Well, not true. Here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only 1 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So the other 2 numbers in this area should be for the numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes and there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes and there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3, yes. Alright, this box can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 3. Alright, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, so the 1 should be here and the 3 goes and there. These two boxes can be 3, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3, that box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, let me mark those 2 and the 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Oh, overlook this one. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4, so 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. This box can be 4, this box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Should be there. This box can be 2, this box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, let me mark those 2 and the 5. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for those 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here. If I place a 2 here, then these 3 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. And I need a 2 in one of these 4 boxes. So definitely a 5 here. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3, and the 4, 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, so this box can be a 5 anymore. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes. Oh, wait. 1 and the 4. 1. Well. 1, 2. Need a 3. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. This box can be a 3. Wait. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 4, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 4 then. It's connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for number 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And these final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 13 minutes 40. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. It's a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this very much. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. It's a weekend. Saturday we have new puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.